Hello, and welcome to an enlightening episode of Health Matters. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is as crucial as it is often overlooked: the connection between vitamin B12 deficiency and neurological problems. In a world where nutritional awareness is growing, it's surprising how many of us are still unaware of the profound impact that a lack of vitamin B12 can have on our nervous system. This episode aims to shed light on this essential nutrient, exploring how its deficiency can lead to a range of neurological issues, from mild cognitive disturbances to severe neurological impairments. Let's start by understanding what vitamin B12 actually is. Chemically known as cobalamin, vitamin B12 is a water-soluble vitamin that contains the mineral cobalt at its core. This complex structure allows it to play several crucial roles in our bodies. Unlike many other vitamins, B12 has a unique absorption process. It binds to a protein called intrinsic factor, which is produced in the stomach, and this complex is then absorbed in the small intestine. Without intrinsic factor, our bodies can't absorb B12 efficiently, leading to potential deficiencies. Vitamin B12 is also unique because it's one of the few vitamins that our bodies can store for long periods, primarily in the liver. This storage capability is crucial because B12 is involved in vital processes like DNA synthesis and red blood cell formation. Its role in DNA synthesis means that it's integral to cell division and the overall growth and repair of tissues. Additionally, B12 is a cofactor in several enzymatic reactions, including the conversion of homocysteine to methionine, which is crucial for cardiovascular health. Understanding these biochemical pathways highlights just how indispensable vitamin B12 is for our bodies. Now that we have a grasp of the biochemistry, let's delve into the myriad functions of vitamin B12. One of the primary roles of vitamin B12 is in the formation of red blood cells. It helps in the proper formation of these cells and ensures they are the right size and shape to carry oxygen effectively throughout our bodies. Without adequate B12, red blood cells can become large and malformed, a condition known as megaloblastic anemia, leading to fatigue and weakness. Beyond its role in blood cell formation, vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of our nervous system. Now, let's try to understand the vital role of vitamin B12 in neurological health. You might not realize just how central this vitamin is to keeping your brain and nerves functioning smoothly. So, let's break down exactly how vitamin B12 supports your neurological well-being. First off, let's talk about myelin, that essential fatty substance that wraps around your nerve fibers like a protective coating. Myelin ensures that electrical signals travel quickly and efficiently between nerve cells. Vitamin B12 is absolutely crucial in this process. It acts as a cofactor for an enzyme called methylmalonyl-CoA mutase, which helps in the metabolism of fatty acids. This is key to producing succinyl-CoA, a component necessary for myelin synthesis. Without enough B12, myelin production slows down, which can lead to demyelination, the loss or damage of this protective sheath. This can cause symptoms like numbness, tingling, and difficulty walking, and in severe cases, it might even lead to conditions such as peripheral neuropathy or multiple sclerosis. Keeping your B12 levels in check is vital for maintaining healthy, well-functioning nerves. Now, let's move on to neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers that help your nerve cells communicate with each other. Vitamin B12 plays a significant role in synthesizing and regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin, which is crucial for mood and emotional balance. It helps convert homocysteine to methionine, an amino acid that forms S-adenosylmethionine, SAM, a key player in neurotransmitter production. When you don't get enough B12, you end up with elevated homocysteine levels, which can disrupt neurotransmitter balance and contribute to mood disorders like depression and anxiety. So, if you've been feeling a bit off lately, it might be worth considering if your B12 levels are where they need to be. And let's not forget about cognitive function. Vitamin B12 is crucial for memory and overall cognitive health. Deficiency can lead to issues like memory loss, confusion, and difficulty concentrating. Elevated homocysteine levels, which result from a lack of B12, can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially harming brain cells and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So, keeping your B12 levels balanced isn't just about preventing a few symptoms. It's about supporting your long-term cognitive health and reducing the risk of serious conditions. Finally, let's address some of the neurological symptoms you might experience if you're deficient in vitamin B12. Early signs can include peripheral neuropathy. Think numbness, tingling, or that pins and needles sensation. As things progress, you might face more severe issues like coordination problems, balance difficulties, and even cognitive disturbances such as memory loss and confusion. In severe cases, B12 deficiency can also lead to psychiatric symptoms like depression and hallucinations. The good news is that addressing these deficiencies through dietary changes or supplements can help alleviate these symptoms and prevent further neurological damage. So, there you have it. Vitamin B12 is more than just a vitamin. It's a cornerstone of neurological health. From myelin formation and neurotransmitter regulation to cognitive function and preventing neurological disorders, this nutrient is essential for keeping your nervous system in top condition. Despite its importance, vitamin B12 deficiency is surprisingly common, particularly among certain populations. One primary cause of deficiency is inadequate dietary intake, which is often seen in individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet, as B12 is predominantly found in animal products. Another cause can be malabsorption issues, where the body's ability to absorb B12 is impaired. This can be due to conditions like pernicious anemia, where there is a lack of intrinsic factor, or other gastrointestinal disorders such as Crohn's disease and celiac disease. The signs and symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency can be subtle and often mistaken for other conditions. Common symptoms include fatigue, weakness, and lightheadedness, which are usually due to anemia. Neurological symptoms are also prevalent and can include numbness, tingling in the hands and feet, balance issues, and cognitive disturbances like memory loss or difficulty concentrating. In severe cases, a deficiency can lead to mood disturbances such as depression or irritability. It's crucial to recognize these signs early because prolonged deficiency can cause irreversible damage, especially to the nervous system. If you suspect you have a deficiency, it's important to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. They may recommend blood tests to measure your B12 levels and suggest dietary changes or supplements to correct the deficiency. Let's move on to how you can ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient through your diet. As mentioned earlier, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products. Good dietary sources include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For instance, a serving of beef liver or clams is extremely rich in B12. For those who consume dairy, milk, cheese, and yogurt can also contribute to your daily B12 intake. For vegetarians and vegans, obtaining enough B12 can be more challenging since plant-based foods do not naturally contain this vitamin. However, there are fortified foods available that can help bridge this gap. Many plant-based milk alternatives, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast products are fortified with B12. Including these fortified foods in your diet can help maintain adequate levels of the vitamin. Additionally, B12 supplements are a viable option for those who might struggle to get enough from food alone. Different diets can impact your B12 intake significantly. For instance, a balanced omnivorous diet typically provides sufficient B12. In contrast, strict vegetarian or vegan diets require careful planning to include fortified foods or supplements. It's important for those on plant-based diets to monitor their B12 levels and ensure they're meeting their nutritional needs. Regular checkups and blood tests can help prevent deficiencies and ensure you stay healthy. Conclusion. In summary, vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient with a complex role in our biochemistry, numerous functions in our bodies, and significant health implications if we don't get enough. From supporting red blood cell formation and maintaining nerve health to influencing our mood and cognitive functions, B12 is indeed a powerhouse vitamin. Deficiency can arise from various causes, including dietary choices and absorption issues, leading to a range of symptoms that can affect our overall well-being. Ensuring we get enough B12 through diet or supplements is crucial, especially for those following vegetarian or vegan diets. Now, let's focus on how you can obtain vitamin B12 through Indian food. Traditional Indian diets can be rich and varied, but they often pose a challenge in terms of meeting vitamin B12 needs, especially for vegetarians and vegans. However, there are several strategies you can adopt to ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. For those who consume animal products, incorporating foods like meat, fish, and dairy can be straightforward. Including dishes like mutton curry, fish curry, and chicken tikka can help boost your B12 intake. Fish like mackerel and sardines, commonly used in Indian cuisine, are excellent sources of B12. Including these in your weekly menu can significantly improve your B12 status. For vegetarians, dairy products are a crucial source of vitamin B12. Paneer, Indian cottage cheese, is a popular ingredient in many Indian dishes and is a good source of B12. A serving of palak paneer, spinach with cottage cheese, or paneer tikka can contribute to your daily B12 intake. Yogurt and milk are also beneficial. A traditional Indian meal often includes a glass of lassi, yogurt drink, or buttermilk, both of which provide a good amount of B12. Including a variety of dairy products in your diet can help meet your nutritional needs. For vegans, obtaining enough B12 requires more careful planning. Fortunately, there are fortified foods available that can help. Many plant-based milk alternatives, such as soy milk and almond milk, are fortified with B12 and can be incorporated into Indian dishes. For example, you can use fortified soy milk to make vegan versions of traditional dishes like kheer, rice pudding, or add it to your morning chai. Nutritional yeast, another fortified product, can be sprinkled on top of curries and dals for a cheesy flavor and an extra boost of B12. In addition to fortified foods, B12 supplements are highly recommended for those following a vegan diet. Supplements come in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and sublingual, under-the-tongue forms. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help determine the right dosage for you. Remember, it's essential to regularly monitor your B12 levels through blood tests, especially if you're relying on fortified foods and supplements to meet your needs. By incorporating these strategies, you can enjoy a traditional Indian diet while ensuring you get enough vitamin B12 for optimal health. In summary, vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient with a complex role in our biochemistry, numerous functions in our bodies, and significant health implications if we don't get enough. From supporting red blood cell formation and maintaining nerve health to influencing our mood and cognitive functions, B12 is indeed a powerhouse vitamin. Deficiency can arise from various causes, including dietary choices and absorption issues, leading to a range of symptoms that can affect our overall well-being. Ensuring we get enough B12 through diet or supplements is crucial, especially for those following vegetarian or vegan diets. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into vitamin B12. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember to consult with healthcare professionals if you have concerns about your B12 levels. Before we wrap up today's episode, let's delve into some bonus knowledge about vitamin B12 that might surprise you. First up, did you know that vitamin B12 is one of the few vitamins that can be stored in significant amounts in the body? Unlike many other nutrients that need regular replenishment, B12 is stored primarily in the liver, where it can remain for several years. This means that even if you experience a temporary deficiency, your body has a reserve to draw upon. However, this also means that symptoms of deficiency can be delayed, sometimes appearing years after the initial lack of B12 intake. This storage capability underscores the importance of maintaining adequate levels to prevent long-term health issues. Another intriguing aspect of vitamin B12 is its involvement in a unique form of metabolism called the methylation cycle. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and regulating various physiological functions. Vitamin B12 contributes to this cycle by aiding in the conversion of homocysteine to methionine, which then participates in numerous biochemical reactions. This cycle also plays a role in detoxifying the body, as it helps neutralize harmful substances and supports overall metabolic balance. Disruptions in this cycle due to B12 deficiency can lead to increased levels of homocysteine, which is associated with cardiovascular diseases and other health concerns. Understanding this cycle highlights just how integral B12 is to maintaining not just nerve health, but overall metabolic wellness. Lastly, let's touch on the impact of vitamin B12 on mood and mental health beyond the commonly known symptoms. Emerging research suggests that B12 might play a role in managing stress and enhancing cognitive resilience. Some studies have indicated that B12 supplementation could help improve symptoms of depression and anxiety, especially in individuals with low levels of this vitamin. Additionally, B12 is thought to influence brain plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself, which is crucial for learning and memory. While more research is needed to fully understand these effects, maintaining optimal B12 levels could contribute to better mental health and cognitive function, offering another layer of support for the importance of this vital nutrient. So there you have it, some extra insights into the fascinating world of vitamin B12. From its impressive storage capabilities and essential role in the methylation cycle to its potential impact on mood and cognitive resilience, B12 is truly a powerhouse nutrient. Keep these facts in mind as you consider your own nutritional needs and tune in next time for more enlightening discussions on health and wellness. So, there you have it. Vitamin B12 is more than just a vitamin. It's a cornerstone of neurological health. From myelin formation and neurotransmitter regulation to cognitive function and preventing neurological disorders, this nutrient is essential for keeping your nervous system in top condition. Make sure to tune in to the next episode as we continue to explore more about nutrition and health. Until then, stay healthy and keep those B12 levels in check.